Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this bouncy vertical blur transition in the CapCut mobile. So here I've already added 3 clips, but you can always add more if you want. So here first click on the transition box, click on the camera, and then add the vertical blur to transition to all of the clips. Okay, this one, click on apply to all, click on a check icon. Now for the second and third clip, add this animation. Click on combo and add the wave amplification animation, this one. Okay, so for the third one also, and that's it. So you can just repeat the step if you have more than 3 clips, and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.